In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Zenka app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to download the right Zenka app, you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store, and here's my Play Store. So go ahead and tap on Play Store, and from here, you'll see we have a search bar here. You can now search from here. If you can't find it, you should be able to see it down here. So if you tap on it, now you can just type in the name of the app, and we want this Zenka loan app. And as you can see, my Zenka loan app is here. So if you tap on it, you can see details of this app. And to know that it is the right app, it must be from Zenka Digital Limited. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.3 with over 143,000 reviews. The app is currently about 13 MBs and it has over 10 million downloads. So if you see these details, then this is the right app. And you can see the current logo. Here it is. So to install it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Zenka loan app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can tap on open here to start using it. Alternatively, if you go now to your apps, you should be able to see it from here. Now from here, you can launch your app and start using your app to acquire or to borrow loans. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.